welcome. So today we're going to do a full face of makeup using products that I just never tend to use or never even think of reaching for. Though my camera looks like it's going to die, which would be very inconvenient. I'm just going to keep going until it shouts at me. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to use this number 7 airbrush primer. I do also, these products might not be in date, but we're just going to go for it. I think I used to use this maybe when I was younger. This really could be like 10 years old. Don't try this at home. I feel like I remember it being... Oh no, it's nice. I love this texture of primer. It's that kind of like, you know, the ones that are like kind of like silky. That's not the best way to describe it. It feels like, I don't know what word I would use to do that. That is lovely, but it's not sticky. It's like literally smooth. So it's strawberry juice. I don't like strawberry juice. I don't really like strawberry flavored things. I love strawberries though. No one asked. Not only do I never use this palette, but I also never do this, but I've got some redness going on, so colour correct a little bit. This is the W7 Flawless Base colour correcting palette. I wish it had a mirror. That's a real shame. I think colour correcting is genuinely magic. The fact you have redness and then you put green on it and then it's gone. Magic. Oh my goodness, look how horrible this looks. I don't think, wait, let me, look how, you see that? The liquidy, that is really horrible, but we're gonna put it on our face. So, let's take it back with this EOS. These are so trendy, but I was not a fan. That can't be good for me. I don't know how old that is either, but it's fine. Okay, I'm hoping this is gonna match. It does look a little bit pinky though. Would you be offended if I cheated and added a bit of... I'm gonna do this anyway. To be fair, I also very rarely use this. This is the 17 Second Skin. It's a fiver. Mad. And it is quite, it's fine. I just don't tend to reach for it because it's not the most pigmented. This looks pink to me. I've never liked this product. And it's so watery, which I don't mind actually. Pretty good match though. Maybe I can just use this. Are you mighty far away? She's immune. Does anyone really want that though? I'm going out, but I'm not going like out, so I don't need to look like full glam. I went for coffee with my friend today, looking as I did at the start of this video. Very nice to me. I said, you know, when I get home, I'm gonna do a bit of film a video, do a bit of full glam. And he was like, you know, I hadn't even noticed you won't wear makeup. Thank you so much. I think that's beautiful. I think that's genuinely, that's gorgeous. That's the most like natural looking thing I've ever seen. I am not the same colour as my chest though. This is like yellowy, so I think this will do the job. I love wearing 2 layers of foundation for a light coverage event. Oh, I didn't even mention, I don't usually use blend anymore. I'm more of a brush girl these days, so this is also just added a little element of craziness. I do think that's better. A bit. I am cheating in this because I do use this brand of concealer. However, this is not the correct shade. It's like a pinkier one, which goes against exactly what I've just done. But I see a lot of people, you're not even going to think that's pink, but to me that literally looks like it is pink. So I'm going to try that. I'm also going to try the technique, sorry, it was so loud. So I'm going to try that, and then I'm also going to try a technique where you get a much lighter one and you just... Also, how good is this camera? The focus, man, look at that. Wait, sick. Anyway, I'm just going to dab a little bit of the brightening one in a corner because I see people do that. I see the girlies do that and I want to do that too. I'm going to use this Rimmel Multitasker, but with it being called Multitasker Concealer, I just assumed it would work as a bronzer contour as well. Quite pigmented, if I remember right. Shove some on there, like that. And dab. I feel like I've gone... Maybe I should use my... Well, we're here now. Wait. Is that nice? Pick up a bit more product. Oh, I like that. I'm not supposed to like everything. It's probably a bit on the cool side, maybe? Oh, it's too much. Oh my god, that's too much. Oh no. I like that though. I really like that. I'm gonna go and get my charger. I'm stressed. Hold on. I'm so sorry to interrupt. That was very dramatic of me. It was literally already plugged in front of me. I would never reach for a liquid blush, but we will today. This is the MUA Blushed Liquid Cream in Misty Rose. It's a bit more of an orange colour than a rose. I prefer like a coral toned blush, personally. This is pink. It's very, very pink, actually. I have to take back everything I just said. I do not think this is gonna be it. I'm gonna be honest, but hello? That literally did nothing. Wait. I've just used everything that I just put on that. Where? Hello? That really did nothing, but I'm going to do equally nothing on the other side. That was such a shame. Luckily for you, I have a backup product. This is my perfect shade of blush. This like orangey shade. This is from e.l.f. called Putty Blush. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I can't really get it out of the thing. Maybe I'm just not doing enough. Maybe that was too much. Let me try again. Ooh, that's better. That's gorgeous. That was probably too much to be fair, but we're gonna have to even it out. I've not powdered yet though, so. Oh, that's such a cute, I want that sunburn look. That's super cute. We're gonna be using this unbranded translucent powder. I have sensitive skin. I'm definitely gonna have some sort of allergic reaction. Oh, okay. Just lean over before I get this literally everywhere. Maybe I put too much on. I love like a glowy, dewy anything. Oh, I know what's gonna fix this, but I don't know if I'm allowed to use it. I'm in charge. What am I about? I've decided I'm allowed one hero product, and that is the Pixi by Petra blush in the shade Peach Dew. Peach, as mentioned earlier, I love. I've completely crushed this though. This is another one from God knows when. But it's just the most beautiful, like shimmery. Oh, it's beautiful. I also use it like a highlighter on the nose as well. I remember when I first started using this, I'd just gotten into like the blush world. And I remember saying like, oh, don't use too much of it. And now I'm like, this is an absolute classic, but I never ever use it anymore. It's the Collections Highlight and Sculpt Kit. I feel like this might be too cool toned with what we've got going on already today. And that's correct. That's really muddy, so let's just do a tiny bit of that. I really hate that. Let me try and get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get that out of my sight. I only have one brow product, and it is the Incredibrow collection. I have a few, like, of this one product, but this is not sponsored by Collection, but I wish it was, so hit me up please if you're watching. Oh, except I did just completely slate the contour. I've been waxing my eyebrows as of late, last few months, and it's the absolute way to go. I can't believe I spent my life doing it any other way, because it's just wonderful, isn't it? I do the thing where you like draw the shape of your brow and then cut it in half, and then it like, you've got enough for both sides. I've got 6 minutes. I'm just delete some stuff. 1 sec. You're gonna think I'm lying here. I do not rate this Morphe palette. I love the James Charles palette. I don't know if that's controversial. But these palettes, I just did not like. I just did not like them. I don't think the way that they wear is very nice. But we're only going out for a few hours, so, and also not really out. So, no offense to people involved. I also don't think the colours look like the colours in the thing. They are pigmented though, I'll give them that. It's just like the wrong pigment. Maybe I'm being a bit dramatic. I'm just really not a fan. So like patchy as well. Who do I think I am starting on like this? I might just leave it at that. Like just really basic. I will say though, the fallout's pretty good. Like pretty non-existent. Anyone with blue eyes, I often get complimented on my eyes looking blue. And I think it's because I go for these kind of the browny, orangey sort of tones, and I line with a brown liner in my, I'll show you in a second. And I think it works well because everyone always says, oh, look at your eyes. And I go, thank you so much. I'm going to use a little bit of this for my inner corner. I should really put this on a smaller brush. Oh, she is bright. See if we're selling the James Charles palettes, because like there's like one shade that everyone likes called like Ring Light or something. This is very 2016 to do it like this still, I think. I'm just going to use this MAC one. Sorry. I don't know if you can see a difference. I don't know. It's a bit emo that, I love it. I really do. I'm going to go with this MAC Extend Play Giga Black Miss Lash. This one. Because it's such a small thing that I never go to use it again. This, amazing. Always remember to cut the top of your lashes. It's just so small. Ooh, wait. I love it on the lower lashes. I love it on the lower lashes, which makes sense I suppose because it's such a small applicator. I've not had any of my strawberry. I'm gonna hype myself up for social occasions. Oh, we've got lip products to do now. I'm gonna go with this. It's like a felt tip pen. It doesn't last very long. It's supposed to be a stain. Not very staining. It's dry. It is actually like putting a felt tip pen on you. You can use it kind of like a liner. It's just really not very good. I mean, it's giving me a bit of colour, but I can't tell if that's literally just because I've been like, just very pale. I don't think I can do this to myself. No, I'm not doing that. Sorry. What a tease. Why do I own this? For what reason would I ever? A matte twig. I actually never liked this shade. Oh my gosh. I think that's just does not suit me. It looks like grey. And it makes my teeth look so much more yellow. This is the final look. I really hate this lip colour. I can't express how much I hate this lip colour. I think it's kind of nice. I think I've got a bit heavy for what I'm doing this evening. I look like a clown. Anyway, let me know if you actually use any of these products, because it could just be down to user error that I don't like them. But I've the foundation's growing on me. That little mascara is quite nice. I like the colour correcting palette, so not a total loss. I'd love to do some more makeup related stuff because I love this kind of thing. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you soon.